Right now, we are also joined by senior BJP leader, senior politician Devendra Rana. Remember that he joined BJP a couple of days back. Yesterday, also he got overwhelming, support and welcome there in Jammu BJP office. But there are some certain questions, which we are going to ask from Devendra Rana because now he has joined BJP. Sir, BJP has made a lot of promises, but we are seeing as to how targeted killings are taking place. Do you think that an attempt is being done, to instill a sense of fear among the non-locals after the revocation of Article 370?
This is a nefarious design of Pakistan. Pakistan has always been indulging in such kind of activities to disturb peace and harmony in Jammu and Kashmir. This is now they're designed to disturb the communal harmony of Jammu and Kashmir, and they are testing the resolve of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and this country. But we together all have to rise to the occasion and defeat these designs and not let elements grow who want to disturb the secular ethos of Jammu and Kashmir and coexistence.
But the point here is that, sir, every time assurances are being made, but the next day we see such incidents taking place. In the last 2 weeks, we have seen these incidents growing and no solution is coming out. Though, yes, we have seen as to how army is neutralizing these terrorists. The point here is that why these incidents are rising?
This is all being done by a design and from the foreign land, Pakistan. And Pakistan has been taught a lesson many a times in the last couple of years, and Pakistan design will not succeed. Pakistan will be defeated in their design, and they will face their Waterloo once again, as they have been facing in the last couple of years.
A message to non-local residents.
They belong to us. They belong to this country. This is their country. And they have to be with us, and we all together have to stand up for them and have to ensure their security, safety and comfort.
So do you think that these terrorists are frustrated with the fact that developmental projects have been launched, and after Article 370 was revoked, we have seen as to how peace prevails in Valley?
This is all an attempt to evoke a sentiment and to create stability. But they will fail. They will miserably fail, because the people of Jammu and Kashmir will not allow such forces to grow and show their ugly face in J&K, because we believe in coexistence, communal harmony, and these are elements who feel they're on their last legs. Terrorism is on their last legs in Jammu and Kashmir, and that is why Pakistan is trying to foment this kind of fear, and they will not succeed.
Last question, but there are some political parties, be it PDP or NC, they bat for talks with Pakistan. Your comments on
it? Is talks and terror cannot go together. And it is time that all political parties, irrespective of what their ideologies is, should come forward and clearly define their policy. They should not either be with the nation or not be with the nation. This dual policy of theirs is creating more confusion. And anybody who unleashes a war against the nation has to be defeated. We as a nation have to fight. Nation cannot stay away from this. The entire nation will together fight the forces. And anybody who raises his finger towards the nation has to be given a crushing reply, united reply, and there can be no ambiguity. No ambiguity so far as national interest is concerned, no ambiguity so far as nation's supremacy is concerned, no confusion in terms of the nation's integrity and sovereignty is concerned.
Also, the last thing, can cricket and terror go together? Because there are some people who are coming out and saying that India-Pak match should now be reconsidered.
Terror and talks cannot go together. You can't unleash terror on our land and then talk. There's duplicity.
That cricket.
And we should be very clear in what we have to do.
थैंक यू फॉर स्पीकिंग टू अस। और हिंदी में आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ सर, जो लगातार घटनाएं बढ़ती जा रही हैं टारगेटेड किलिंग्स की, पहले भी होती रही हैं, क्या कहेंगे आप सर?
देखिए, ये घिनौनी हरकतें पाकिस्तान हमेशा करता आया है, और चूंकि पिछले 2-3 बरस में आतंकवाद को मुंह तोड़ जवाब जम्मू कश्मीर में मिला है, ये पाकिस्तान की फ्रस्ट्रेशन है। और पाकिस्तान जो ये कोशिशें कर रहा है, जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग उनको वहाँ इसमें उनकी शिकस्त देंगे। भारत इकट्ठा है, भारत को इकट्ठा होना है, सभी को एकजुट होना है और दोगली बातें नहीं चलेंगी। या तो आप राष्ट्र के साथ हैं या आप राष्ट्र के खिलाफ हैं, और राष्ट्र हित के खिलाफ कोई बात बर्दाश्त नहीं की जाएगी।